Hello, entrepreneurs and remote workers. Do you want to know how to keep your online accounts safe? Consider using a password manager. A password manager is a powerful tool that allows you to securely generate, store, and manage your passwords. Instead of reusing the same password across multiple sites, you can use a password manager to create strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. This can aid in the prevention of phishing attacks and account takeovers caused by weak or easily guessable passwords. One of the most significant benefits of using a password manager is its ability to generate strong, one-of-a-kind passwords for you. It can be difficult to remember all of your different passwords when you have so many online accounts. And, let's face it, it's all too easy to use the same password for multiple accounts. Another useful feature of password managers is the ability to fill in login forms automatically. This can save you a lot of time and make accessing your accounts more convenient. No need to remember complicated passwords or type them in every time you need to log in. Password managers are useful not only for convenience, but also for adding an extra layer of security to your online accounts. They encrypt your passwords and store them in a secure digital vault, so your passwords will be safe even if your device is stolen or hacked. Overall, using a password manager can aid in the security of your online accounts, making it an excellent choice for remote workers and entrepreneurs. So, if you want to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts, consider using a password manager. Conduct your research and select the one that best meets your requirements. To stay safe online, always use strong and unique passwords for all of your online accounts. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.